this is the kitchen vents. Is that our sweep? Where's the drain at? Oh, that's probably just offset the vent.
Yeah.
Do not get stuck. Not what we're aiming for. Those are offset back down. And there is our drain. Drain, and is there another drain there? The testy, maybe.
Probably.
I think it's testy. And then we go sweep to the vertical. Some gunk in the bottom, but nothing that's unexpected. What does that look like? It goes back uphill. It doesn't. It's just funky, I guess.
Are you recording?
Yes. Impossible to go through. We got some kind of fitting there. Maybe a clean out. Right before our tie-in. Hardly see anything now. Can't really go much further than that.
Yeah, we may have to come from that clean out there back up.
If we can.
Looked like there was 2 clean outs there.
I think that
Kitchen sink looked clean.
The kitchen line is fine. And we're not seeing that old one.